Hello my gardening friends. So this video is for Colleen, who was talking about that she tried making Roselle tea but wasn't very successful and she wanted to know how to do it. So it's that time where I take my afternoon tea. So here it is. This is the Roselle plant. I just cut just with leaves. What I'm going to make probably is maybe 2 cups, 3 cups, but I use everything here. I do alternately, and this is normally what I would use, but I want you to see how you can still make fresh herbal tea just from your garden. But this is the processed Roselle, and what I do is I just dry the leaves, and this is like regular, let me see if I can bring it over to you, regular tea. And so the ratio is literally one teaspoon of the herbs to give you 1 cup. And so basically, I got my water boiling here, right there. So basically, the rule is, if you would like to make a ration, you just make everything proportionate to whatever you're bringing. So this is going to be just a summer, autumn delight here. We've got some orange leaves, and we also have some lemongrass. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Here, this is like all the leaves and clippings and what have you. So I'm just literally using kitchen scissors, and I'm cutting little squares of the lemongrass first. Doesn't matter, it's just in my hand. You can cut your plants and bring them in and give them a rinse and pat them dry if you want. It's irrelevant what you do with that. And then you just, I'm using 3 orange leaves to give it that zest. And I love cutting the plants when you're using them fresh, because the little cuts will let out their juices. And I cut everything, the stems and everything from the Roselle, when I'm using them fresh. When I'm drying them, I just use the leaves. And I like to go through, you always like to inspect your leaves. You want to make beautiful fresh leaves. So it is time consuming, but that's what people don't understand. When you do homemade stuff, you're adding your special touch to it. So, didn't need the knife. So that's kind of the deal with that. So now I bring the water, and I'm going to be doing two portions. They're going to be 2 cups. So I'm going to fill it up to what I believe is my 2 cups. And of course, if you wanted a little stronger, you would do it a little stronger. I'm going to get my big spoon. And if I can find my big spoon that can reach in there. Okay, I'm coming back. So that's the deal with this. You kind of let it steep for about a minute. Here, look at the beautiful color on this tisane. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous colors. So now simply get your, of course, you need to have like the super cool cup. I mean, if you're going to have a tisane or a tea, you need to have, most important, the right cup, right? It just adds to the experience. So here we go. Look how beautiful. Let me see if I can, it has this very sweet color. Oh my goodness, can you see it? Ah, there it is. Look at that beautiful, beautiful color. Grab my spoon here. You could put honey, or you could put sugar. I prefer sugar. And let's go. Let's taste heaven in a cup. Enjoy, and see you soon. Bye, my friends.